Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 unidentified network no internet access error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, turn off airplane mode. The second is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash release. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash renew and press enter. Type a exit. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a ncpa.cpl. So open it. After that, select the internet adapter which you use to connect your internet, and right click, first of all disable it, and after a few seconds that once again enable it. If you install other network, then disable it. Now you can see that it's connected. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try next method. The search box type ncpa.cpl, open it, select the internet adapter which you use to connect your internet, and right click, go to your properties, select the internet protocol version 4 and go to your properties. And after doing this step, use a DNS server is 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. I have already used it. Click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer and show that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can go to your next method. In the search box type a device manager. After opening that device manager, go to your internet adapter and select a one by one network adapter which is used to connect your internet, and update driver. If you are on, click on update driver, click on search it and close it. And if your problem is still, then you can uninstall the device and after that reinstall it. I hope after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.